I failed every single audition I ever went. Lahat, sunod-sunod yon. Bagsak, hindi papasa, hindi papasa, hindi makakapasok, hindi makakapasok. It was 10 years of an ongoing cycle of I always go home rejected. You know what? What I realized during that whole journey, those 10 years that I was going back and forth, and I was getting anything. I was failing at every audition in life. You know why? Because I realized during that time, my purpose was for myself. Simula nung sinurrender ko kay God, yung desire ko, yung dream ko na makapasok sa showbiz, doon nagsimula yung big break ko. Sometimes, God will destroy our plans when He sees that our plans are going to destroy us. God always has better plans.